In a press release issued on March 1, Rolls-Royce announced that it had launched F-130 engine testing under the U.S. Air Force's Commercial Engine Replacement Program at the company's outdoor test facility at the NASA Stennis Space Center in Mississippi. The Commercial Engine Replacement Program is a part of the Pentagon's $11.8 billion upgrade program for its fleet of B-52 strategic bombers to keep them flying into the 2050s, and probably beyond to deter the U.S. near-peer adversaries such as China and Russia. The legendary B-52 Stratofortress nuclear heavy bomber has been a bastion of the U.S. Air Force bomber fleet since it was first introduced in the 1950s during the height of the Cold War. 76 B-52As are still in service, with another 12 in reserve storage. The current round of evaluations marks the first time the F-130 engines have been tested in a dual-pod configuration. The tests will mainly focus on crosswind aerodynamic flow and confirming the successful operation of the engine's digital control system. Rolls-Royce claims that early results from initial tests have been very positive and that additional test data collected as the program progresses will be analyzed over the next several months. The tests come after Boeing completed wind tunnel testing of a 4% scale model of the re-engined B-52 Stratofortress in September last year. The company then released a corresponding video featuring the model installed inside its transonic wind tunnel. It was subjected to the test at a maximum speed of Mach 0.92. The new F-130 turbofan engines will be housed in the newer and bigger engine nacelles supplied by Spirit AeroSystems. However, the underwing engine pods of the B-52 will remain unchanged. So, to fit the new nacelles with a larger diameter, they will be positioned closer to the wing than their predecessors. Thanks for watching and see you next video.